Web Development Online Live Courses Training by ICT Skills. Web development is a dynamic and rapidly evolving field that encompasses the creation and maintenance of websites and web applications. Whether you're a beginner looking to enter the field or an experienced developer seeking to update your skills, structured training is crucial to success. Why ICT web development training matters. A. Skill development. Training provides structured learning paths to acquire essential skills such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks. B. Career advancement. Certified web developers often have better job prospects and opportunities for career growth. C. Keeping pace with technology. Continuous learning ensures developers stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and best practices. ICT skills train most essential skills for web development, as HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheets, JavaScript, front-end frameworks, React, Angular, Vue.js, back-end development, Node.js, Python, PHP, version control, Git, branching, merging, responsive design, fluid layouts, media queries, web performance, optimization techniques, web security, and many career paths and opportunities in web development. I front-end developer. 2 back-end developer. 3 full-stack developer. I UI UX designer. V web development instructor or consultant. Ready to get started? Contact us at 949-956-9596 or visit www.ictskills.in.